space potato spotted by NASA Mars satellite is actually something much cooler. The starchy looking moon of Mars, Phobos, this is what we're looking at, is destined to crash into Mars' surface and has been revealed in new detail by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. The space potato image was recently shared on NASA's Instagram. Now I'm showing you images of the moon Phobos. Look at it. Some people say this could be an extraterrestrial UFO spaceship or whatever because it looks metallic. And also, this is the Mars Phobos moon monolith. It is huge. And as Neil Armstrong said decades ago, what is a monolith doing on the moon of Mars? Who put it there, why, and when? So this Phobos moon is supposed to crash into Mars, according to what NASA is detailing. NASA has posted a stunning photo of the space potato, the Phobos moon, on social media, but it is actually Phobos, the Martian moon, that is locked on a slow collision course with the red planet. The space agency imaged the lumpy, starchy-looking moon using the high-resolution imaging science experiment HiRISE camera on board NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which has been studying the red planet since arriving in its orbit in 2006. Phobos, named after the Greek god of fear, is roughly 157 times smaller than Earth's moon and is one of Mars' two natural satellites, alongside the even smaller Deimos, whose name comes from the Greek god of dread. So scientists believe that the brother moons were once roaming rocks that were snared into Mars' orbit by the planet's gravitational field. A recent image analysis of Phobos' craggy yet highly reflective surface suggests the moon was once a comet and came from the asteroid belt located between the red planet and Jupiter. The two moons' orbits are unstable, and scientists predict that in tens of millions of years, Deimos will spin out into space, while Phobos will either break up into a ring or slam into the Martian surface. However, with Phobos drifting only 6 feet closer to Mars every 100 years, our solar system space potato, this moon Phobos, is unlikely to be mashed for another 50 million years, according to NASA. That leaves us with plenty of time to study and admire the starchy celestial body, whose characteristic features include streaks of white ice and the Stickney crater, a 6-mile or 10-kilometer indent, named after Chloe Angelina Stickney Hall, the mathematician and wife of the two moons discoverer Asaph Hall, who first observed them in 1877. This is by Ben Turner on Life Science. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.